Welcome back to another video. Today I am putting on red, green, blue atmosphere lights on the Sportster. I was going to put it on the Kawi, but I think it'll be more appropriate on the Sportster, and if it looks good, we'll do the Ninja as well. So let's slap them on and see how it looks. Alright, so I got it all hooked up. Just want to make sure it works. And there it goes. Okay, let's pop them on. Okay, so basically what I did was I wired the lights under the tank and under the frame here. So I only used 4 strips of the LEDs. I have 2 left. Don't know if I'm gonna try to put them on anywhere else, but I think the 4 is good for now. This is the key fob right here, and I think it's pretty cool. It has a actual protector right there for accidental touch. I really don't know what the buttons do yet. I haven't read it, but let's check it out. All right, so just gotta kind of learn the buttons and stuff to see what they do. But I think I like it. It looks pretty good. Don't know if it's legal or not. Don't really care, but here it is. Next thing we got to do is take it on a quick night ride. See how it looks on the streets. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.